Hi friends, welcome back to our channel A Techies Talk. In this video, we are going to see about the page layout of Microsoft Word. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Yeah, let's begin. Here I have opened a Microsoft blank document. In the document, we shall add a random text with the help of rand command. Okay, now I'm going to copy it and paste it. Give some any title for that. I'm going to give it a Techies Talk. Okay. So for this text, we are going to set up our page layout and theme for it. We have theme in design menu. Here we have some themes. We have a number of themes. Once we hover it, we will be getting our theme applied to our document. So based on the design, we can choose from which design we need, which theme we need, and we can select further. So this is good, right? So just I am going to select it. Here we have many number of designs. Also for one particular theme also we have many formatting options. From this we can select some font we need. I'm going for Calibri. Then after designing our theme, you can go for layout, that is available inside the layout menu. We have the page setup option, in which we have margins, orientation, size, columns, breaks, line numbers, and hyphenation. Inside the paragraph we have the indentation and spacing also. So initially for our printing purpose, whether if we are going to do a print of your document, before going on to print, we need to align our document based on the size of the paper we are going to take a printout. For that printing purpose, we need to align the margin, orientation, and size of our document. Now margin, initially it will be normal. We have several options like narrow, moderate, wide, and mirrored. Office 2003 default. Usually we need to go for narrow, then you can see the difference. Before going into that, I can enable my ruler. It will be available in the view menu. Inside that, enable the ruler. You will be seeing the difference better now. Then go for layout. Margin, previously it was normal. The margin will be like this by default, and then after that you can give narrow. It will be available like this. The columns, if you are going to print your document in the book, like you will be going for printing with the column 2 or 3 or 4, but we need to print it in the single page only. So then we are going for one column layout. In that one column, the size I need to mention by default, the size of our document will be in the letter. But if you are going to print with the A4 sheet, just select the size as A4. A4 will be selected. The important one is the orientation. Orientation, by default it will be in the landscape. We need to change it to the portrait. Landscape will be in the width will be greater than the height, whereas in the portrait the height will be greater than the width, which will be a perfect one for our A4 printout. Click the portrait view so that you can see like this. So now if you click here, see our document will be available like this. This is our page setup. if you don't need to click it separately, you have a separate option here available here. In this arrow pane, click it on page setup dialog box will be opened. Here itself we can specify the margins, orientation, paper, layout. Paper, what is the paper size we are going to print, what will be the setup for our paper. Then we can mention the width and height. By default it will be selected for each and every layout, that is, if I am going to select A3, the width and height will be automatically populated. So now I am going for A4 paper, so the width and height will be automatically done. So preview, apply to the whole document. So here also we can specify the print option, how our display needs to be there for our print page, that we shall specify in the print option also. So in the layout section start will be in the new page, and headers and footers we shall specify here different for odd and even, or different first page, like that. Line numbers we can apply or set as default, we can do that. Then give OK. So this is it. Also we can increase our indentation. Whenever we are going to implement the indentation, we need to specify the cursor position there. If I want to apply indentation for this paragraph, keep the cursor here and then do the indentation. Then the paragraph will be indented for our specified amount. Spacing will also be the same. If I am going to implement the spacing for this document, increase the spacing here. So then our spacing will be done here. So indentation will be from left and right, and spacing will be before and after. So it will be, spacing will be available in the point measurement, and the indentation will be available in the centimeter measurement. If I want to drop in our line numbers, that continuous, so once we give the continuous, it will be like the line, each and every line number will be printed out. Continuous will be like it will be continuously, it will be printed for each and every page. The numbering will be happening for every page with the continuous one. But if you want to restart each page, that is also possible like this. So till 44, and then it is not restarted, it is started with the 1. Then restart for each section. Suppress for current paragraph. If I don't want any line number for this particular paragraph, I can use suppress for current paragraph. But if I don't want any line number, I can just go for line number none. Hyphenation. What is hyphenation? When we use hyphen in our document, when one of the word goes in the multiple line, then we will be using a hyphenation, instructing our user that this word is traveling for the 2 lines. In the same way, word also does the same. For example, consider this line: to change the way a picture fits in your document. So in normal way, we can occupy the space. DOCU can occupy now here, and hyphen, then MENT can travel here. But as we have given hyphenation none, it is not implemented right now. But if I am going to give hyphenation automatic, then see the document has been hyphenated here. Docu hyphen ment, comma, click it. So this word has been introduced with the hyphenation, and it will increase the readability also, and the space will be equally distributed among all the words. We can also give manual, but hyphenation is complete, so then it will be. So once this page setup has been done, we can go ahead for print preview. So give print here. You can give the, once we give the print, here comes the preview of the document. It is so once it is neat, we can go ahead and select the printer and give print. This is for this video. So page setup has been clearly explained in this video. So please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. I am signing off right now. We'll see you in the next video. Please press the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you. Bye.